I'm very pleased that today I have Emil as my guest. He's the founder and managing director, CEO of SolidCAM. He represents here as my guest the CAM industry, which is one of the heroes of manufacturing, which makes manufacturing happen.
I'm pleased to be here.
Yeah. I would like to hear your personal journey into CAM.
I got to work with computer graphics doing my master's in the University of Toronto. And I fell in love with computer graphics and CAD. So when I started working in the industry, I worked in the aerospace industry. And my team developed CAD/CAM for big computers at the time. So finally, I wanted to do a business of my own. And when the PC was launched, I said, this is my opportunity.
That's an amazing story, Emil. So the value of CAM as a software is clear, but what is the impact of CAM beyond software? Is CAM only software or is CAM more than the software?
CAM is much more than software because once the machine shop takes your CAM, all those machines that he invested millions in, he can't run them anymore after he uses the CAM. So you have to really give him the best post-processors. Because in the end, CAM without good post-processor is like a car without wheels. And CAM today really is the heart of the machine shop.
What is the remaining challenges for machining shops in the context of CAM?
Basically, what's happening in machine shops, they all want to be more productive. So they like these several machines in one, the multi-channel mill turn and Swiss machine. And nearly all of our customers are introducing such machines. So about 10 years ago, we realized this will be the future of machining.
Where you see AI playing a role in CAM over the next few years?
Really, to benefit from AI the most in the machine shop, you have to look at the data, what's happening in your machine shop. You are sending all these files to the CNC machine, and then you do the monitoring of the CNC machine. But if you take all the data of the monitoring, day in, day out, and you analyze it by LLM, and you connect it with the CAM intent, you could give good analysis to the owner of the machine shop. Everybody wants automation. More automation, because they want to work faster, and especially automation for these complex machines. So again, here AI is going to help us to create more of this customized automation to the customers.
So I understand where we should be getting to, but how we get there? Do we need other heroes of manufacturing, like machine tool vendors, cutting tool vendors, and others play a role in building that future?
First of all, we need from you to keep extending your capabilities. So let's work together to make it much better. We are working with tool makers, for example, because all our customers need to get the exact data of the tool. Obviously, we are cooperating with the machine tool suppliers, and we are integrating some capabilities that are now in AI.
Thanks, Emil. So that means the future we will build together in collaboration with other parties. So looking forward for the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you.